slide kejap. Farah dah boleh record rasanya? Dah record, okey.
Saya tengah record.
Okey, dah nampak dah ikon tu. Okey, sekejap Sambil-sambil Farah ni capture. Bila kat recording nanti dia tak nampak macam view ni kan? Dia lain sikit.
Dia yang saya perasan kalau record dia akan macam fokus kat yang bercakap macam tu.
Ya, betul. Kecuali ada slide, nampak lain slide dengan orang yang bercakap, betul tak?
Dia dah baru rasanya ni, saya perasan.
Nanti Farah boleh juga sambil-sambil buat screen capture. Harap ni tak terlalu berat and Farah kat rumah internet okey?
Kat rumah.
Internet okey
Alhamdulillah, okey.
Wah, okey. Saya cuba buka ni.
Doktor dekat fakulti ke sekarang?
Ya betul. Nanti kalau datang fakulti beritahulah nak bagi tu.
Dalam masa terdekat insyaAllah. Next month memang saya masuk UTM.
Kan nak tu MMM.
Betul.
Okey. Sekejap
Ramai lagi nak masuk doktor.
okey. Sekarang nampak kan? Penuh? Farah nampak penuh tak slide saya?
Nampak penuh?
Saya ada kat sebelah. Sebab bila view saya dia lain sikit kan?
So far okay record.
Cuba buat screen capture untuk report sekejap. Sebab saya tak boleh nak capture saya punya own ni, view. Sekejap saya nak slideshow from current slide. Okay. So untuk ni nampak saya di sebelah, boleh buat screen capture.
Nampak sekarang?
Screen
capture.
Buat screen capture.
Sekejap. Ramai lagi nak masuk. Dah.
Okay. Okay, sekarang saya tak nampak participant apalah. Saya fokus kat saya punya presentation. Nanti sekarang dah berapa orang tu?
42.
Okay lah.
Termasuk kita berdua 44.
Okay, alright. Okay. Okay, selamat datang everyone. Welcome to our program IEEE iCARE Computer Science ICS 2023 Series 2 So we already had the first series attended by your seniors kita punya tema apa? Nurturing Young Computer Scientists and Software Engineers. Dia ada dua, software computer scientists and software engineers. So your sis Farah dia focusing on software engineering. Will be software engineer lah insyaAllah
InsyaAllah.
Okay. Jadi nama saya ialah Shahida Sulaiman. Adalah gelaran kat depan tu sikit. Kalau yang doktor ni bukan doktor perubatan tapi doktor falsafah. Jadi nanti saya sentuh sikit pasal pengajian dalam bidang terutama dalam bidang sains komputer. So actually you are sponsored to join this program for free under iCARE UTM Kejurah. iCARE ialah apa? Center for Advancement in Rural Education Informatics. Kenapa ada IEEE? Program ni ditaja oleh IEEE Computer Society dari US, bertaraf antarabangsa. Tapi nanti kamu siapa yang aktif, nanti saya tunjukkan macam mana dapat aktif. Akan dapat sijil. Sijil tu ada logo IEEE Computer Society yang menaja kita. Dan kamu punya sijil penyertaan tu ialah peringkat wilayah Kejurah, iaitu peringkat daerah. Okay. Welcome to everyone. Congratulations. The highest one is SMKBP 13. Give a round of applause. Okay. Jadi kita harap everyone will be active. How to get active like I mentioned just now. Okay. By the way, you can call me Dr. Shahida. Saya ada gelaran associate professor tapi orang jarang panggil saya professor lah. Prof tu jarang. Orang suka panggil saya dengan PhD saya tu, Doktor Falsafah tu dengan gelaran DR Doktor. Dia masih disebut doktor lah DR tu. So you can call me Dr. Shahida. So okay. Siapa ada soalan, just put in the chat. So at the end of the session, I will respond to your questions. Nanti Kak Farah pun akan tolong. Okay. So you must attend 60% of the session lah. So kalau dah miss yang semalam, kalau ada, make sure you continue with other programs, ada sessions. Termasuk hari ni saya harap 55 dapat hadir lah. Jadi semua dapat attendance pula. You get 60% attendance with completed task. Bukan 100% pun, maksudnya boleh juga ponteng macam kat sekolah kadang kamu ponteng juga boleh ke ponteng? Macam tu. Jadi program ni membenarkan kamu ponteng 40%. Jadi kamu tak boleh attend ngelat. Maksudnya you attend but you don't complete the task. Kak Maira bagi, Kak Farah bagi, you ngelat. Mengelat tahu kan? You tak complete the task. So still tak dapat 60% attendance tu. Mesti ada task dan mesti complete. Boleh? Okay. So I hope 95 students will get this. Or at least 90 from 95 ke so you give good records because the benefit will be yours. You will get the certificate for your SPM. After SPM dia adalah aktiviti yang kamu sertai. Okay, so based on the registration I could see that almost 30% telah mengambil subjek asas sains komputer. Okay, good. So some of you have the computer science knowledge. Sebab mungkin you ambil subjek ni kat sekolah so you lucky one lah. Okay, don't worry, those without computer science subjects at your schools, you are selected and be here, itu ialah satu anugerah, because you are exposed to computer science through this program. Kamu mungkin fikir nak jadi doktor, nak jadi engineer, rupanya boleh jadi software engineer, duduk je depan komputer boleh buat duit. Itu kita nak ni nanti tengok macam mana. Adakah anda mengambil subjek sains komputer? I can see 40% of you actually taking the computer science subject. So dari sini maksudnya lebih ramai yang ambil computer science subject. Maybe you didn't take us but you take SK because when lower form you didn't take the SK. Dan minat ada 2 orang ni, yang merah ni kata tidak minat. Jangan rasa tak minat pula. Tak apa. Tak minat tak apa, tapi since you already here and you already registered as 2 of you of 95, I don't know, I don't mention who lah. I can check who actually indirectly, but it's okay. For me, maybe you take this as an exposure. Sebab computer science ni melibatkan ICT. ICT tu apa? Information and Communication Technology. So you can learn about the technology, the IT. Betul tak? Jadi buka minda kamu. You say maybe you don't feel you like it, but you will never know. Maybe after this program tiba-tiba 2 orang ni minat pula. Betul tak? And Alhamdulillah we have 71.6% kata memang minat. Yang ada tak pasti. Tak apa. Don't worry. I want you to enjoy this program. Although it's online, you see the benefit of online program. Kita ada handphone, saya ada laptop, Kak Farah ada laptop, kita duduk bersama. Kamu tak perlu pun pergi duduk satu tempat nak 10 jam. Kalau 10 jam ni program kita kena dalam 2 hari lah, betul tak? So ada makan, minum, kamu duduk di asrama, saya pilih satu tempat, kamu duduk macam orang kata kita buat macam summer school lah buat macam tu. Program 2 hari di luar secara fizikal memang best, tapi itulah kita pun kena minta kelulusan sebab dari segi keselamatan kamu, dia banyak proses dia. Oleh kerana disebabkan COVID kita dah amalkan online dan kita nampak ia sangat bermanfaat dan memudahkan banyak pihak, terutama kamu juga pelajar. Jadi lepas ni kamu dah habis program, kamu boleh pergi jalan-jalan, betul tak? Cuti sekolah kan? Jadi dan tidaklah 2 hari tu duduk habiskan semua. Maksudnya dalam seminggu ni kita ada 1 jam, 1 jam setengah. Ini adalah program kita. Nanti kita ada forum, portal ni bila dah ready nanti kita akan maklumkan. Semalam kamu dah buat satu program dengan Kak Farah. Then today and then you will have one tomorrow. And then with the lectures, closing if necessary with Kejora. And then the sharing session with facilitators. Don't miss this. Facilitators ni yang kita jemput khas yang dah bekerja, yang dapat kamu akan dengar pandangan mereka. Semalam sempat ke facilitators yang pelajar tu?
Ada.
Farah. Semalam sempat. That's good. So yesterday you also listen to your seniors, right? From different schools, which I suppose you learn something from them, how this program help them to expose them with computer science. So insyaAllah kamu juga akan mendapat manfaat daripada program ni yang ditajuk oleh Kejora, dilaksanakan oleh UTM di bawah, nampak bawah ni Center for Advancement in Rural Education Informatics, okay? Okay, sorry. So kita ada juga di sini WOWS, kita develop sendiri. Jadi WOWS ni ialah kamu dah register, saya dalam proses menyemak siapa yang dah register dan kita nak approve. Ada yang duplicate, nanti Kak Maira atau saya rasa Kak Maira akan in charge yang ni, dia akan maklumkan pada kamu siapa yang belum, yang duplicate tu yang mana approve, so kamu boleh cuba balik nanti. Dan kita di sini siapa yang ambil sains komputer akan mendapat bahan-bahan yang kita sediakan secara percuma. Dalam bahasa Melayu mengikut topik di sekolah. Jadi you can benefit from this works that we develop, online platform. Of course coding, Python, whatsoever, you can learn through whatever exposed by the school. Coding kan, pakai compiler. Besides whatever we expose, tomorrow we Blockly, and then also I will share with you how you can learn programming by yourself actually. Walaupun tak ada subjek tu di sekolah. Okay. Seterusnya kamu boleh sambung belajar. Pasal ni optional. Tapi kamu ada extra certificate, dia panggil certificate of achievement atau completion of whatever the content science computer dalam WORKS ni. Okay, kamu dah register WORKS. Siapa belum register, tolong register. Okay. So list of competition, kita ada hadiah menarik, tapi yang paling best kalau kamu buat video log kamu tentang perjalanan kamu dalam program ni 3 minit je atau 1 minit, 2 minit pun boleh. Gunakan kreativiti kamu. So kamu dah boleh simpan apa yang kamu buat semalam, kamu apa yang dalam WhatsApp group tu. Kalau kamu dah capture semalam boleh simpan dan compile as one short video. Jadi hari ni pun boleh dah capture apa saya cakap ni untuk slatekan dalam video video kamu, perjalanan kamu. Nanti Kak Maira dan Kak Farah will explain more on this. Yang ni ada hadiah menarik, ada hadiah wang tunai. Jadi gunakan kreativiti kamu untuk menyatakan perjalanan kamu dalam program ni dan what do you learn from this program. Okay, before you join and after you join. Buat dalam video tu cerita. Okay, so of course yesterday team based competition. So ada forum ni nanti kita akan release dan kita akan pilih yang forum terbaik. Ada hadiah tapi tak ada hadiah wang tunai lah. Yang wang tunainya video ni je. So before you get back to your school, mungkin next coming weekend you can start to compile your video. Tunjukkan kreativiti kamu. Okay, so 3 best videos you will get the cash prizes. Okay, so dan sijil peringkat wilayah penjurah dari peringkat daerah. So take this advantage so that when you form 5 then you want to get the place at the university or college, you have this certificate to support your application. Duduk kat rumah waktu cuti sekolah buat join iCARE program, dapat sijil, which is good. Okay. So then tomorrow you will have this blockly with Kak Farah again. Then you will have this walks helped by your sis Mahira. Okay. So okay, now kita bagi semangat lah sikit saya suka cakap lah aku ni hebat so saya nak cakap awak hebat. So awak tak payah unmute pun tak apa. So you just say at your place there. When I say you great, you say yes I'm great. You nak buat thumbs up dekat ni pun boleh. Dekat dekat ni. You great. Okay, saya rasa kamu dah jawab. You great. Yes, I'm great. Jawab you great. Yes, I'm great. Okay. Bila kita cakap benda-benda yang positif tu dengan harapan kita akan menjadi lebih positif lah dalam hidup kita. Apa juga yang kita buat yang kita nak capai. Okay, saya ada soalan di sini. Kamu letak kat chat. Do you like to play computerized games? Cuba buka sikit-sikit. Di sini. Cuba letak kat chat ni. Do you like computerized game? Okay, try. Yes or no? Okay, type tahu tak ni? Yang bagus-bagus. Oh, most okay. Yes, okay, bagus-bagus. Thank you. Menarik. Okay. So let's say I kecilkan ni. Okay. I just want to see your ni. Okay. So what do I get here? Oh, okay. You see here. Let me capture this for a while. Okay. So semua orang suka game memang game tu memang menarik lah untuk dimain kan. Computerized lah, maksudnya bukanlah game yang game board tu apa kan. Computerized game tu. Jadi kalau saya tanya lagi kat sini, so what is the software system or application app for gaming that you like the most? Okay, cuba type. Nanti saya tengok semua. Type apa yang awak suka ni, game ni. Kita kata app tu ialah short form for application. Okay, can you learn something from the app? What do you learn from the app? Contoh. Okay, tulis What feature do you like most from the app? Feature. Kalau game, kalau kamu kata game juga, sekarang what is the software system for gaming? Yang ni kita tanya tentang game lah kan. So kalau tak suka game tu, tak apalah kamu cakap app lain. Kalau yang kata no tadi. What feature do you like most from the app? The game tu yang kamu suka. Contoh mungkin kamu suka dia punya apa tu, the challenge. Sebab tu kamu suka game tu. Contoh. Maybe you like the graphic, the artwork. Sebab setengah game dia ada artwork dia kan. The character ke yang you suka. What app do you wish to have but not yet available? Not limited to gaming. Agaknya apa yang kamu rasa dunia ni patut ada, kamu memang out of the box lah, thinking out of the box, kamu rasa patut ada. Dan bila kamu nanti buat computer science at the college or university, or even now at schools, you free kan, you gode-gode kan coding tu, you boleh develop something, you know. And some people really as early as like secondary school, they already know how to program. Okay, cuba tengok what app do you wish to have but not yet available. Do you want to develop the wish app? Okay, saya nak tengok ni, so saya kena kecilkan sikit. Barulah saya boleh masuk kat ni. Okay. Saya tengok sekejap Yes. Siapa lagi ni? Cuma yes. Yes you. Apa kamu ni? Karakter, the game Mobile Legend. Boleh lah. Saya pun tak pernah main Mobile Legend tu. Gameplay. Gameplay? Oh, ada game nama gameplay ke? Minecraft. Okay, this one Atif I would like a game that help children to be creative. Yes. Actually, we don't say game is not good, right? Behind it, most of the time there's something good. Walaupun sometimes it's like addicted. Boleh menyebabkan you're addicted. The graphic, yes. Mobile Legend, Bang. Okay. I like customizing character. Yeah. So we can choose yang pakai tudung, yang pakai spek ke kan. Macam mana ikut karakter yang you suka. Which is interesting. Think of game. Okay, so okay, strategy, yes. So what else? When you read the instruction in what language? English. So you can see that, yes, Syahmi. English, yes, Farana. So indirectly you actually learn English through the games. So ICT is closely related to English. You buka website, you nak tahu pasal ATM, semua dalam bahasa Inggeris, betul tak? Yes, mostly in English. You write Arif, Akif. So that's why English dia macam partner lah, complement. English is everywhere of course. But for ICT, computer science, you do the code, sebab compiler tu dia faham bahasa Inggeris je. So your instruction must follow the syntax that should be in English. Contoh, siapa dah ajar computer science, you tahulah. Control structure, you ada if else. You tak boleh kata jika dan kemudian apa, you pakai and or misalnya, betul tak? True false untuk boolean, you tak boleh kata benar salah. Contoh, itu bahasa Inggeris. Okay. Dota tu, amboi Dota tu. Okay, enjoy your game. Contoh sini, what is computer science? Okay, dah setengah jam dah kita masuk. Sambil menunggu tadi. Okay, what is computer science? So saya nak buka, apa tau? Stop sharing dulu. So saya kena buka what is computer science ni. So saya kena share tab. Share tab. So saya buka dulu sekejap audio dia. Ada dengar audio. Dengar tak? Sarah.
Tak. Rasa
Sarah,
macam
About computers is
Ah,
like
dengar.
saying being a doctor is about stethoscopes.
sekarang dengar.
Computer science began long before the modern computer. In
Sekarang
fact,
dengar tak?
computers began long
Dengar,
before
dengar.
the modern
Dengar,
computer.
okey, saya patah
We've always had
balik.
tools like the abacus, but
Okay,
the
dengar semua. Saya buka besar. What is computer science?
Doktor, kalau ada subtitle boleh buka, Doktor?
Oh, subtitle.
Ha.
Betul. English auto generated.
Boleh lah kot.
Janji nampak
Mm-mm.
Okay. Yalah.
buka
Sekarang
Doktor.
isn't computer science
Okay.
just the study of computers? Saying computer science is about computers is like saying being a doctor is about stethoscopes. Computer science began long before the modern computer. In fact, computers began long before the modern computer. We've always had tools like the abacus, but the word computer was used as early as the 17th century to describe people who completed calculations by hand as a profession. During World War II, most of our human computers were women, and some became our first computer programmers doing work that was critical in determining the feasibility of the hydrogen bomb. Science depends on observations of the real world and follows the scientific method. So computer science isn't really about computers, and it isn't even really a science. If that's the case, then just what is computer science? Well, it's the study of data and computation on that data. In other words, computer science is about solving problems and how to solve problems better and faster.
faster.
Let's look at Super Mario Brothers. Not making it, playing it. We have the main character Mario who can run and jump through a level. The goal is to get to the end and touch the flagpole, but there are a bunch of obstacles in the way. Let's think of some interesting questions, like, does this beat the level? Can I even beat this level? How do I win? And what is the fastest way to get through here? Let's look at the first two questions. Do these moves win, and is this level even beatable? Suppose someone claims to have a way to beat a level. It's pretty easy to tell if they're telling you the truth. All you gotta do is watch them play. They beat the level and they were right, and if they didn't, they lied to you. Can we just as easily figure out if a level is beatable at all? We know that there's a dumb way, just try all the possibilities, but you'll be sitting there playing Mario for a long time. Can we do it faster? It seems simple enough, but this question is known for being one of the hardest math problems that still doesn't have a solution. Answering this question definitively comes with an award of $1 million. So, who really cares about Mario? I mean, it's just a game, right? Well, what if I told you that hard Mario levels are all that stand between a hacker and your bank account? Don't believe me? Well, we rely on something called encryption to protect all of our digital information. Most encryption relies on the fact that breaking a number into its prime factors is hard. But if we can easily determine if a Mario level is beatable, that would also mean that prime factorization is easy. How these two are connected is a topic for another time, but studying these types of problems helps us to see the underlying way in which problems are connected. So computer science isn't all fun and games. It's vitally important to the world we live in, especially as everything in our lives becomes increasingly reliant on computation. Computer science is sequencing the genome so that we understand more about the human body. It's creating robust tools and realistic effects to allow artists to tell stories that they've never been able to tell before, and maybe even in brand new virtual realities. It's giving you access to the entire world's knowledge at your fingertips. It's bringing you closer to that long-lost friend that you would have otherwise never seen again, and creating a platform to let anyone share their ideas. It's finding ways to reduce our carbon emissions to preserve this Earth for future generations. It's learning what lies in the next frontier, and maybe even taking us there one day. Computer science is a lot of things, but ultimately, it's about solving some of the toughest problems to propel us into the future.
Okay. So, kalau gitu, apa computer science sebenarnya? Kan? Sekejap ya. Siapa boleh cuba type? Dengar, bagus. Okay, cuba type apa computer science in short. Cuba type kat message selepas tengok video tu. You can write in English, you can write, Syami good, menyelesaikan masalah dengan lebih cepat. Okay, bagus. Syami dari mana? Saya ada ni untuk Syami. Syami cepat. Syami dari SMK. Type Syami. Pandamas, alhamdulillah, SMK, BM. Okay, next answer. Siapa nak try? What is computer science after listening to that short video? Terbaik Syami Faris.
Computer
Alex.
is not related to computer, but mostly computer calculations.
Machine, yeah. Farhana? Good.
Computer science not related. Dia tak main kepada komputer sahaja. Dia
Yes.
cuma dia maybe berkira-kira juga untuk selesaikan masalah.
Computation, yes. The algorithm involve computation, but of course we use computer to do the coding, right? So it will be processed. Very good. So we have Syahmi, Farhana dan juga Alex. Okay, Farhana dari sekolah mana?
SMK kan Sri Falba.
Okay, good. Farhana. PS Tansi, PSJA. And then we have Alex also. Computer science is the study of data structure aiming to solve problem and process information. Oh ni Alex dia copy paste ni. Google lah tadi Alex. Okay, tak apa. Good effort. At least you tahu how to use Google sebab bukan dia ajar tadi nak search. Okay, congrats. Alex, where are you from? SMK? Sekejap tengok Alex. SMK BM juga.
Benar.
SMK BM. Okay, so dah ada. So okay. So saya stop di sini dulu untuk hadiah. Saya ada satu lagi hadiah. Nanti ada satu soalan. Sederhati je lah. Nanti tu. Okay. Good for your participation. Science computer is about solving problem. How to solve problem. Yes. Zunur boleh try lagi nanti. Anyway, we have more games and more prizes later on. Okay, good. Okay, now I'm going back to my slide and share it here. Sorry, saya share balik my window to the slide. Okay. So, satu lagi saya nak share ialah ChatGPT. Siapa dah pernah cuba ChatGPT ni? ChatGPT ni ialah AI. AI ialah Artificial Intelligence yang sangat popular lah sekarang. Kalau kamu minat computer science, kamu kena juga tahu the trend in AI, that is part of computer science, Artificial Intelligence. Kita ada satu tool yang sekarang sangat popular, dia panggil ChatGPT. Chat tu macam berbual kan? Tapi ni bukan bual kosong tau. Kita boleh tanya dia macam-macam. Not limited to programming. Tapi yang best programming lah sebab kita belajar computer science kan. But like I mentioned, English is very like twin of computer science. You buka apa internet semua bahasa Inggeris. You nak code pun dalam bahasa Inggeris. So everything in English. So you can also learn English through this ChatGPT. Or anything you want to ask. For example, help you to write something, help you to write a letter, help you to do a composition in English. Ini contoh soalan yang kita guna ChatGPT untuk program. Sebab tu saya kata kamu boleh belajar program sendiri. Macam mana guna ChatGPT? Okey. Sekarang saya nak share balik window. Okey. Boleh guna. Inilah soalan dia tadi kalau saya run di sini. So dia terang, saya kata spesifik, terangkan dalam bahasa Melayu. Dia pandai menerangkan dalam bahasa Melayu. So the same, if you learn English, you don't understand, you can also ask in English, in Malay, but then you get the answer in English. Atau kamu nak belajar macam mana nak kamu tulis, kamu praktis dalam bahasa Inggeris, contoh kamu buat satu perenggan karangan dalam bahasa Inggeris, kamu post dekat sini, send message, jadi terhadlah sebab yang ni free, GPT 3.5 ni free, jadi dia akan checkkan bahasa Inggeris kamu. Jadi kamu boleh kata, contoh, tolong semak ayat ini sama ada betul atau salah. Contoh saya buat ayat yang salah lah. Ayat ini sama ada betul atau salah. Okey, kita tengok ayat ni dah bahasa Inggeris. Dia pandai tak semak dan betulkan. I went to UTM next week with pen. Ini memang nampaklah silapnya Kalau kamu kira bahasa Inggeris kamu nampaklah apa silapnya. Okey. Kita tengok dia boleh terus bagi yang betul tak? Sebab saya kata tolong semak, betul tak? Kita tengok. Okey. Tengok dia explain. Best tak? Awak tak perlu tanya cikgu awak tak perlu pergi tuition. Awak boleh tuition dengan ni untuk improve your English. Of course computer science tu. When you learn computer science school, balik rumah tak tahu program, tanya ChatGPT. Dia kata apa? Dia tahu nampak ayat yang betul ialah dia kata mungkin dia baca tak pasti pula ya. I will go to UTM next week with a friend. Daripada ayat saya, I went to UTM next week with friend. Tak ada kan? Artikel I went to past tense. So nampak tak? Dia kata masa akan datang, I will go, dia kata. Nampak tak? Dia jadi cikgu kita. Next week, dia ialah sebab akan berlaku, betul tak? Dia explain to you. With friend, dia kata, perlu ada artikel sebelum friend. Boy, pandainya dia explain. I think this activity can explain better than me. Kalau saya nak ajar sesuatu dengan awak, pun jadi lambat. So, test tak ChatGPT? Wow, Afiq kata, true, yes, good. If you try this, then you should explore more. Okay, boleh So I really want you to explore this kind of technology in ICT so that you can get benefit either for your computer science, another thing is English. Because I always promote English in my program. Program maksudnya program iCARE lah. Saya memang nak belajar improve your English because English is important. So I take another 10 minutes. Boleh saya stop presenting ni. Saya sambung dengan slide saya pula. Sikit lagi ya. So I hope you learn something and to explore this AI technology through this ChatGPT is still free. Saya pergi window balik. Okay, dan of course talking about ICT and English, you can go out there, you can also go to this My Initiative Knowledge Wonders. Ada banyak sharing on the how to improve English using ICT like Khan Academy, ChatGPT tadi. And then of course Black Screen English. Kalau kamu pergi, kamu ada account TikTok, mak ayah kamu benarkan kamu ber-TikTok, gunakan platform ni untuk improve your knowledge. Besides your leisure or your interest hobby, contoh travel kan, kamu pergi buka video-video yang tentang travel. But of course for your education, tengok ada banyak yang share pasal ChatGPT itself, untuk apa, pasal English. So I suggest you, especially this Black Screen English, very good in explaining grammar and so on. Besides this one, and you can explore more of course. So could it be computer science your first degree? Kalau first degree tu kita panggil ijazah pertama. Ijazah pertama. Kalau kamu rasa kamu minat komputer, kamu minat teknologi tapi kamu tak minat, kamu minat engineering tapi tak berapa minat nak keluar panas-panas jadi engineer, kamu boleh jadi software engineer macam Kak Farah, insyaAllah. So, there's one more video here. Let me see, is it right for you to do computer science? Okay, sikit lagi, saya ada 25 slide. Okay, sempat-sempat. Kita ada 15 minit lagi, saya cuba ni sebab kita cuba limit to 1 hour. Sekejap saya buka ni. Saya stop sekejap, saya share. Saya share. Tengok what can you do with a computer science degree? Degree tu ialah ijazah.
Can take you? With how quickly the world is becoming increasingly digitized, it may come as no surprise that there are tech career options in nearly every industry. And when we say there are options, we mean there are many, many options. Because computer science jobs are growing faster than average. When it comes to the future, there are few guarantees. but you're not likely to find a career path with a brighter outlook than in computer science. With job opportunities projected to increase significantly, it's definitely a field worth considering. But you may still be thinking, what can you do with a degree in computer science? Turns out, a lot. Let's take a look at your options. As a software application developer, you could work as the creative mind behind computer games, designing or customizing application software. Computer systems analysts examine data processing problems to improve computer systems and enhance system compatibility so information can be easily shared. Software system developers create the systems that keep computers functioning properly, from operating systems for computers to the systems that control most of the consumer electronics we use today. Web developers specialize in creating and designing different aspects of a website. Network systems administrators organize, install, and support an organization's computer systems. And database administrators use specialized software to store and organize data, test and administer computer databases, and coordinate changes to correct errors. And there you have it. We hope this video provided you with a few ideas of what you could do with a degree in computer science. Head over to rasmussen.edu for more information, and thanks for watching.
Okay, itu sajalah video pendek. Of course, you can see more by yourself to see your next step. Nanti, so this program will expose you. Mungkin memang kamu bertuah lah sebenarnya. Kamu tak tahu pun yang actually there is computer science sebab mungkin kamu tak ada role model and you don't have the idea. So by joining this program, you actually have this option to think about as compared to your friends yang tak dipilih untuk join this program. So later I will show you some of the real data of computer science punya opportunities and jobs. Okay, dalam program you akan learn the theory. Contoh dalam works yang kamu dah register, nanti kamu akan dapat belajar teori. Of course di sekolah kamu dah belajar tentang theory of computer science. You understand the small problem. Contoh mungkin macam mana nak buat kiraan. Macam tadi kawan kamu kata, Farhana kata computation, apa yang nak dikira. Kan? Nak kira grade pelajar. You letak dalam kat komputer, lepas tu buat code. You run, dia jadi app, betul tak? So you use the app to capture the data. What is the data? The students' records, right? So you can see the grades being entered, berapa average dia, berapa dia dapat result dia, betul tak? So then you put the solution and run the two tests, the program. Itu dalam small capacity. But in software development, this is the job of software engineer. You have to plan, you do the analysis, you do design, implementation and maintenance. So siapa yang ambil computer science, I believe you see this. We call it software development life cycle. So tadi kita tengok job opportunity when you have this degree in computer science to be software developer contohnya. So you need to plan. Contoh, saya jadi kontraktor rumah ni. So saya ada klien. Sama juga kamu nak develop software, kamu ada klien. Contoh, the user say, I want this game that can stimulate creativity among kids. Tadi kawan kamu cakap creativity, that's good. So, I will plan first. What should I do with this house? To based on the I analyze what? The requirement of the client. Dia nak rumah macam mana? Dia kata, oh saya nak rumah ada swimming pool, banglo, 2 tingkat, tapi depan swimming pool tu ada satu macam small unit for us to relax by the pool. Macam tu. Betul tak? So I have to analyze the requirements. Same with the software. You have to ask the user what they want in your app that you want to develop. Then you design. Rumah tu nak macam mana bentuk dia, atap dia macam mana, kalau double story macam mana, pool dia macam mana, letaknya di mana di atas tanah. Sama juga dengan design of the software. So you have to design a few things to manage the data, the database just now, and then you design the interface, macam mana user nak nampak kat website tu, and many other things. Then implement tu ialah kita develop, kita buat coding tu. Macam ChatGPT tadi lah dia ajar Python kan, dia tolong developkan untuk saya code tu, implement, lepas tu maintain. Of course, when you like the house, you need to maintain after you already develop, implement. So same with software. If after you develop, you need to maintain to meet the user's need. Faham So ini analogi yang mudah lah. Kita bukan engineer buat rumah. Kita akan jadi software engineer macam saya duduk kat belakang komputer ni. Saya pernah lah jadi programmer 2 tahun sebelum saya jadi lecturer kat UTM. Dulu saya di USM. So memang duduk belakang komputer tapi kerja jalan. Siap sistem, user guna. Faham? Dia tak jadi macam rumah ni. Siap rumah, the user, the client duduk rumah tu, pindah ke rumah tu. Dia software, sebab tu dia panggil software, bukan hardware, betul tak? Komputer kita hardware. Okay. So kita ada computer scientist. Orang computer scientist ni, siapa tahu computer virus? Letak dekat, jangan Google lah. Siapa cepat jawab yang dalam bahasa kamu sendiri. Apa dia computer virus? Lagi saya tengok siapa yang dulu jawab. Tak perlu Google. Type je apa yang kamu faham tentang computer virus. Okay. Jadi kita ada computer scientist ni, dia bukan develop saja. Dia akan buat research and development. So dia kata di sini contoh kita ada scientist ni very popular with cryptography yang berkaitan dengan security juga yang kamu dah belajar semalam dengan Kak Farah. So this will be he also coin tu maksudnya create kita kataan computer virus tu. Term computer virus. Apa dia computer virus? Nanti saya tengok siapa yang boleh jawab. Apa beza computer science software engineering? Kalau kamu belajar computer science, apa prinsip-prinsip dia dalam komputer dan macam mana kita boleh buat komputer boleh jalankan provide the solution and then theoretical and mathematical perspective also. So you still need the maths but maybe not that technical lah. So you how to compute, so especially involving engineering the app that involve maybe for example kalau you pernah pergi KL, you naik LRT, MRT kan yang ada tu, itu complex. How hardware with software interact. You have to code so that the wheel will move by itself. MRT kan, dia tak ada driver misalnya, driverless. So how the wheel can be moved by the software? How actually it schedule the travel? Berhenti kat mana? The station. Nampak tak tu? So that's computer science that involve also mathematical calculation and formula. Software engineering more on the development of the software yang tadi panjang sikit kan perjalanan dia. So you become software developer. So you boleh buat dua-dua ni dalam degree, first degree ijazah kamu. Dan banyak universiti menawarkan computer science plus specialize dalam network and security, software engineering dan sebagainya. Boleh? Jadi dalam atau kamu boleh terus first degree kamu software engineering fokus kepada bidang software engineering. Okay. So what we will study macam ni lah. Computer science ni algorithm. Kalau kawan kamu yang ambil sains komputer dia faham lah bila saya sebut algorithm ni. Architecture and organization, computational science, discrete structure, graphic and visualization, contoh game banyak grafik, human computer interaction, nak design interface tu macam mana, buttonnya dan sebagainya. Termasuklah networking and communication. Jadi kalau software engineering ni dia lebih kurang tapi dia ke atas sikit. Computing essential, mathematical and engineering fundamental, professional practice, problem modeling analysis, requirement analysis and specification. Ni tadilah analysis, design, verification and validation, testing lah bila you implement. Software process, software quality and security. Termasuk yang kamu belajar semalam tu tentang security yang kat cyber security kan yang Kak Farah share. So you be the one who actually develop the security aspect and then the skill. Beza sikit lah. Tapi actually most of the first degree they offer computer science with software engineering misalnya. Okay, jobs in ICT field. So memang kami tengok kalau application consultant, game developer pun boleh tahan 5,000. So this among the job opportunity dari job street. Ni kat job street. So you can boleh tengok 10 highest paying jobs in CS. So you can actually develop the skill and be in any this title, job titles in computer science, just like in the video just now. And of course, there are differences being computer engineer and computer scientist. Dan actually computer scientist ni memerlukan next level. Ijazah pertama, lepas kamu diploma atau matrik atau asasi, kamu sambung buat sarjana atau doktor falsafah. Macam saya ada PhD in computer science. Jadi computer scientist lah juga saya ni dikirakan. Tapi jadi pesarah lah pula. Okay. So nanti kita buat portal ni. Di portal ni kamu akan buat forum sikit. Hanya kita pilih siapa yang terbaik. So ini ialah contoh. Saya buat analisis design, develop bersama pelajar saya dulu dan kemudian kami minta industri bantu. So kami dapatlah app ni, website ni. Kita panggil ni Knowledge Portal. Okey, saya rasa saya dah sampai penghujung. Saya janji 1 jam. Okey, kita ada Q&A. Saya nak tengok tadi siapa virus tu apa, siapa yang jawab. Okey, one more time. You great. Yes, I'm great. You great. Yes, I'm great. You great. Yes, I'm great. Okey. I think Farah kita dah nak habis masa kan?
Betul.
Berapa minit lagi?
Lagi 4 minit, 3.5.
Okey. So sekarang saya nak tengok tadi siapa yang jawab computer virus. Ada? Tak ada?
Ada kan?
Siapa yang first jawab masalah yang merosakkan? Virus, bahaya, virus yang merosakkan, gangguan, program yang boleh virus. Siapa first jawab? Bug, true. Okay. So best, bug. Aki kata bug je. Merosakkan komputer, komputer kena virus, program yang boleh hack sistem kita. Benda boleh rosakkan komputer. Irin lah, saya bagi Irin lah. Yang boleh, dia ada perkataan hack tu. Irin dari mana? SMK? Saya tengok dia punya type. Vietnam, congrats Irin. So saya pilih Irin lah. So settle. So kita nak group foto. Okay, buka kamu punya kamera. So terima kasih pada semua. Saya harap kamu dapat inspirasi dalam masa yang dekat ni 1 jam. Copy paste diam. Memang nakal kamu ni Okay. So boleh buka video. Kita nak capture sekejap kamu punya gambar. So kita ada 57 orang hari ni Okay.
Betul. Dah janji dah pakai baju sekolah tadi.
Okay. On. Right, on. Sebab nanti kejap lagi dia tutup ni. Okay.
Korang buka dulu, nanti saya buka.
Malu pula lah. Okay, bagus. Akil lah. Itu Akil pakai baju sekolah. Semangat Syahmi. Semangat. Okay. Kita ada masa lagi Farah. Berapa minit lagi Farah?
Tak ada limit lagi sebenarnya. Tapi untuk 3.5 lagi 2 minit je. Cuma dia tak ada limit.
Buat ni sebab saya faham kalau free punya 1 hour je kan?
Saya guna student account doktor.
Dia.
Free.
Betul. Okey lah. Cuma backup room tu memang kena assign satu-satu.
Semalam dia kena assign satu. Jadi saya macam
lah.
Saya malas saya buat Discord je semua orang.
Okey, Discord pun okey
sebab dia boleh keluar masuk. Kalau yang breakout room tu dia kena assign dekat yang
assign sebab dia nak control kan.
Betul?
Okey.
So susah lah untuk dia orang juga.
Betul.
Yang
So
lain?
siapa lagi? So Atif, Rozi,
Aliana Jiha,
Syami, Akil. Siapa lagi? Afiq. Okay, bagus. Alia. Malu pula. Aduh.
Sekejap je.
Okay, Fasa, Nur Fasa, Zunur, Ami Syar.
Sofia, Christina Balkis. Jom kat kamera, jom.
Chan. Hai Chan.
Kamera
Chan dari SMKPU Chan dari SMKPU ke? Chan, dengar. SMKPU Chan. Okay. Aiman, Nur Ashikin. Okay, good.
Christina, jom kat kamera. Tipulah kamera rosak.
Farisha, bagus. Farisha, boleh pusing sikit supaya baju tu tak nampak. Pusing sikit ke satu side lagi. Ke dinding. Ke dinding.
Zafa Amelia, Afrina.
Oh, Faris kat dalam kereta. Yelah. Itulah bila online ni mana-mana pun boleh belajar, betul tak? Tu yang walaupun fizikal lagi seronok kan.
1 minit. Kita tu 1 minit. Kita ambil gambar 1 minit je. Jom kat kamera jom. Tak apa. Okay lah. Boleh ke nak ambil gambar sekarang?
Boleh.
Tak ramai lagi ni. Yang buka.
Boleh. Tak payah paksa lah. At least yang satu ni dulu.
Aina saya ingat. Okay dah. Alright. Sekejap.
Okay, Patricia. Balik kampung Patricia. Okay, thumbs up. Nanti saya keluar dulu. Thumbs up. Okay.
Ya, sir. 1, 2, 3.
Nanti kita tengok mana yang terbaik atau daripada recording pun okey kan bila group foto ni?
Dia tak sangat sebenarnya. Dia tak ada session yang macam boleh ramai-ramai sini. Kalau recording. Tapi
betul.
yang lain semua dapat dah capture. Okay dah.
Okay, Alhamdulillah.
Alright dah.
Okay, you great. Yes, I'm great. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoy my short session. Tak short pun, sejam. Rasa macam tak cukup sejam juga nak bercakap dengan kamu. Okay, thank you so much. Our host Miss Farah, Kak Farah kamu. Yau, hai Yau. Aina, Afika, Akil yang saya nampak, Zunur, Alia. Salam kat mak Alia, mak kat belakang tu. Akif, Faik, Farisha. Okay, siapa lagi? Sekejap, saya tutup ni.
Doktor, esok kita main game lagi kan doktor?
Esok Blockly boleh teruskan. Dia orang okey tak?
Okey tak semua kalau esok kita main game lagi? 1 jam je.
Boleh.
Boleh.
Yeay.
So, ada
Okey je.
Bagus. Semangat. Siapa tadi?
Boleh.
Semangat, bagus. Faris.
Boleh.
Faris, siapa lagi tu? Boleh. Okay, bagus.
Boleh. Jawab soalan jangan pandai sangat, susah.
Okay, esok dia individual Sis Farah akan guide you. So I hope you join and get the certificate, and also if you win you get the certificate plus the gift. Okay. Terus hari ni saya dah ada Irin, Alex, Farhana and Syahmi. Nanti kita ada session lagi satu. Ada lagi hadiah cenderati besides the winners. And of course the vlog, so you can start recording whatever your task. Be creative, less than 3 minutes. Nanti Kak Farah dan Kak Maira will guide you more on the vlog. Okay, all the best to you. Sorry for any shortcomings. Faris lupa tulis tu doktor. Faris lupa tulis apa tu? Banyak cek kamu. Okay, saya lah dulu. Okay. Terima kasih semua.
Terima kasih semua.
Okay. Terima kasih ya Farah.
Ya doktor.
Nice meeting you.
Terima
Okay,
kasih.
insyaAllah jumpa lagi satu lagi last dengan lecturer lain juga. Okay, take care everyone. Enjoy your holiday also.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, doktor. Bye.
Bye. Yes.
Doktor. Bye, doktor.
Thank
you, doktor.
you,
doktor.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Kak Farah.
Okay.
Bye, Kak Farah.
Bye-bye.
Bye Kak Farah juga tu.
Bye-bye.
You're
Bye-bye.
welcome.
Bye, doktor.
Faris nakal ni, Faris.
Alia.
Kak Farah. Nakal ni, Faris.
Okay, Aiman.
Lambai tu boleh keluar kot.
Enjoy your session with Kak Farah again tomorrow. Okay, take care everyone. Okay, all the best.
Alhamdulillah. Bye semua.
Bye-bye.